weather forecast for New York and vicinity at 3 p.m. hour. Show wind gusts 30 miles per hour. Scattered clouds to 8,000 feet. Visibility 20 miles. Air temperature currently 35 degrees. Barometric pressure 25 inches of mercury. There is currently a weather advisory for Pennsylvania, Ohio, and the eastern portion of New York State. A strong trough is moving eastward from the Great Lakes region, bringing high-level cloudiness, strong snow flurries, and high winds. Radar currently indicates a storm front moving into the New York area that should reach the seaboards by late this afternoon. Currently, Buffalo is reporting high-level cloudiness, wind gusts to 50 miles per hour, 1/2 mile visibility with a temperature of 4 degrees. Rochester at the 2 p.m. hour reports strong endless snow flurries with visibility less than 1/2 mile. Current temperature 15 degrees. Scattered clouds to 8,000 feet. Visibility 20 miles. Air temperature currently 35 degrees. Barometric pressure 25 inches of mercury.